and welcome to today's art class. Today I'm going to be showing you all about how to draw a bird. Birds have very sharp beaks and webbed feet. The bird that we are going to learn how to draw today is inspired by Bob the artist. If you haven't read that book yet, I will post a link in the comments below so you can have a little listen along before you draw your bird. Feel free to pause this video along the way to keep up with all of the steps. Thanks for watching and see you next time.